Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on mail notifications in Gmail. If you've been missing important emails or simply want to stay updated in real time, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification settings are managed. Scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it. Next, look through the list of your installed apps and find Gmail. When you open it, you'll see a few different options. Here's where you can control everything related to how Gmail behaves on your phone. Tap on notifications. This section manages what kind of alerts Gmail can send you, like email previews, new message notifications, or promotional updates. Now, tap on notification categories. This is an important step because Gmail divides notifications into categories such as general, mail, chats, or other updates. You want to make sure that the right one is turned on. Scroll through until you find mail. Once you see it, simply toggle the switch on. If it was off before, that's the reason you weren't seeing new email alerts. When the switch is on, Gmail will immediately begin sending you notifications every time a new email arrives. You'll see them pop up at the top of your screen, just like messages or other app alerts. And that's it. You've successfully turned on mail notifications for Gmail. Now you'll never miss an important message again. It's always a good idea to double check your notification tone or vibration settings too, so you'll catch every new email as soon as it arrives. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a quick Gmail fix. Thanks for watching.